Alyssa, you know what that is? What is it?
A dollhouse. Ah, that's too cute. Oh, way to go. Pops, that's cool.
Yep, got the people. Got all kinds of things left.
Is it morning time?
If you want it to be, it's morning time.
I don't know if she had that or not.
Yes, I
Didn't
do.
believe it.
Oh, that's cool. I can see, you can change it. How does it change?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Here's a person.